Hi everyone, I'm super excited to bring you this video. I have another new collection. Well, it's new to me collection from Sinful Colors. And I did purchase this collection on Target.com. I'll put the link to this collection in the description box below. This is called the Nude collection. And we have 6 different nude polishes. This one I do know is available at some of the Walmart stores. I've seen it there before. However, I really don't know about the rest of them. They're a nice mixture, I think, of, light to dark. And I think these colors go well together. I'm really loving this collection. So let me just show you it. Let's get into the swatches. I'll be using base coat under all of these polishes, as usual. This one is Easygoing. And this is a nice light nude color. This is a really light nude color. And it's almost opaque in one coat. It looks pretty good on camera, except for I can just still see a few little light spots. Here's the second coat. And that is 2 coats. This one is Coco Bae. This one is a little darker and a little bit more of a tan color. It's got a shimmer in there. And this one is a little darker and it has a golden shimmer in it. It's also a little bit on the thinner side. So this one will probably build up in 2 coats. And here is the second coat. And 2 coats looks really good. This one is Hot Toffee, and this one is a nice chocolate brown. This one is a chocolate brown. Depending on application, probably 1 to 2 coats. I am going, the camera looks a little sheer still in some places, so I'm going to go with 2 coats, but actually this will probably be fine in 1 coat. Well, that looks just about the same, so I guess 1 coat will be just fine for this polish. This one is Hush Money. This one is a shimmery rose gold. This is the first coat. And here is a second coat. This one is Taupe is Dope. This one is a nice taupe color. Okay, so here's the first coat. Depending on application, you may only need one coat. This one actually looks really great in one coat. I'm just going to throw a second coat on to see if it makes a difference. And it actually makes no difference at all. This one is Street Legal. And this one is a gorgeous dark brown. And this one, depending on application, can be a 1-coater or a 2-coater. Right here, it is good in 1 coat. So, how'd you like the collection? Let me know in the comments below. As I may have said before, Target has, sometimes you can't find the collection, but just wait a while if you don't see it on there and come back in a few days or a week, and they have been restocking. And I think that's about it. I hope you liked the video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you're not one of my subscribers, please consider subscribing. And that is all for now. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.